wymęczona. Już w górę idzie. Ładna. O! To ładny samiec.
No, kurwa ładna, bardzo ładna.
No, to
Duży,
bardzo ładne.
duży jak...
Jedna jest, no nie? Pierwsza dzisiaj. There we go, guys. Slow morning out here on Lake Michigan. And we got a nice scammer. Oh, she running. There we go. Nice little dances. There we go. Slamming scams, that's the jam. You know what time it is, man. There we go, guys. Lake Michigan fishing. Slow start. And that bottom rig is doing work. Awesome stuff. Tu już, blisko. Już zaraz będzie gotowe. Widzisz go? There we go. That's a nice hen. Awesome. Second one of the year. Alright guys, slow start to the morning, not too many catches out here on the pier on Lake Michigan. Tied the bottom rig because everyone's casting on the float, and she absolutely hammered it. Oh yeah, she choked it way down the gullet. I don't think we're gonna recover that hook, but that's how you want to take. Fishing bottom, just saw the fish jumping and started seeing my rod bend, and that was an epic fight on Lake Michigan. Hopefully we get one more for the day. It wouldn't be too bad. Awesome stuff though. Wind's starting to pick up. Should be around 15 miles per hour. Right now it's around 70 degrees Fahrenheit. A nice cool summer day. And catching awesome Scamania steelhead like that just makes it so much better. What a fight to these fish. In stunning colors. Sweet. That is gonna make one epic meal and dinner. Super thankful for this fish and the sacrifice it had to go through to feed my family. Truly a blessing and thankful for this day. Awesome. One last jump.